The 5 nonfiction text structures are descriptive, compare contrast, cause and effect, sequence, sequential, and problem solution. Descriptive text structure describes a topic, an idea, a person, or thing by giving specific information about it. What does it look like, sound like? What does it taste like? What does it feel like? What does it smell like? What examples can I give? Some clue words, signal words, transition words you can look for are, for example. Another example is, in addition, specifically, in particular. And if you look, the graphic organizer is usually a bubble map with a main idea and details. Sequence text structure, or sequential, explains events or steps in order to tell how something is done or how something happens. So you'll often find words such as first, second, next, then, after that, before, finally. You can also find dates in sequential order when things happen. And here we have a seed growing into a tree. But another common graphic organizer to show sequence is often a series of boxes showing progression from first to second to third. Cause and effect text structure shows the relationship between cause, why, and the effect, what happened. So here we see a cause being lightning, and because of the lightning or the storm, there are several effects, such as a rainbow, rainy day needing to have an umbrella, and potentially flood. Clue words, signal words, as a result, therefore, because of, due to, one reason why, another reason why, consequently. Cause and effect. Compare, contrast. Compare, contrast text structure shows how two or more things are alike and how they are different. Commonly shown with a Venn diagram, how are they alike and how are they different? So we could explain that lions and tigers have some similarities, but they are also different in key ways. So clue words can include different, unlike, alike, similar, however, both. And our 5th text structure is problem solution. Problem solution discusses a problem and gives possible solutions to fix the problem. So if too much trash is a problem, solutions could be community cleanups and could be increasing recycling efforts. Some clue words include therefore, because of, consequently, reason why, leads to,